Hello. A couple last things we got to do before we mount this engine. We're going to put this motor mount where that one is. Take this alternator off. Okay, now we've got our correct mount on for that front on this side. We've got our newer alternator on that was purchased, I guess, more recently than the other alternators. We put that on. And now we're going to pick this side up and swap that one out, and then this motor will be ready for installation. All right, tomorrow we're going to take these motors to the boat. We're going to meet the guy with the autocrane. There's the second motor mount put on there, so this thing should be all ready to drop in. This one's ready to go as it is. We've got everything strapped down here multiple times. Tires are all aired up in the trailer and the truck, and so now we just got to get this to the marina and then drop them in. There they are back there, riding to the boat. Here we go. Of course, I have no film. All right, we're gonna manipulate this thing around, get that down, and there's one in. Of course, nobody's filming this because there's nobody extra here. That's one in. Now, I'm gonna take this down. We'll put it on that other motor. Now here comes number two. Also will not be filmed going in, as is tradition. We're gonna end up setting it there so I can put the transmission on it. This one should come in a little easier. Now then I could use that gantry over here. Get the damn thing up.
Well, I mean, I'll get on one side, you get on the other if you want.
Okay. You wanna get down here on your knees though or something?
You gotta get that stud in that hole.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
That's it.
Okay.
Where's that other bolt?
I think it's behind you.
Behind me.
Do we have
here
bolts?
it is back here.
You got a few threads in there?
I believe.
Just thinking about trying to hold this.
Just wiggle it. Don't want it tight, it's gotta go on there easy. You don't want it to be pushing on that crankshaft.
No.
Was this the transmission or the?
Yeah.
This was the piece that this come off of, and the flywheel wiggles
Yep.
more.
Yeah, I put the flywheel, the pressure plate.
All this
everything.
came off of this transmission.
Yep. I can put this.
Wiggle her some more. There you go. She's going good. Yep, going nice and easy. That's just what she wants.
All right, now.
It's up tight. There's the nuts for that one's right there.
Yep. Put this on here. I'm gonna have to snug this nut on, then back it off. Put this washer back on.
You know, it's extra money if I got to turn wrenches.
Uh-oh.
I'm just kidding.
No, I actually think you're in big trouble now, because now that I know that you know about all this shit here, I'll probably be calling you to come over and try to wire all this together. But sometimes two old brains would be better than one. Well, I'm not gonna.
Yeah, these are pretty simple. There ain't many. There's not even an electric solenoid to shut it off. It's by hand.
Well, no, this one has an electric
Oh,
one.
it does have a solenoid that hooks to this
Yep.
little rod here.
Yep. let me tighten this up, and then I'm gonna put the.
What about the bottom ones? You got them handy? They'd be nice to put in right now instead of after it's in that hole.
Yeah, I do not know where they are.
They're probably right here in a can.
You want to look in a can? You want to pause that?
I do.
We'll have to do the old foot maneuver again, I guess. Okay, unless
What's that
you want to set it down and
What's that board?
move the chain.
What's this here?
This thing?
Can you move that?
I could.
It's showing the floor.
Can you knock it at least back so it's even with this?
I believe I can. I gotta find my hammer.
Is that right?
Got them screws sticking out of that board there.
All right. Make it out of here.
Well, who's going to keep that engine company once it gets down in there if you don't stay
I'll
down
go
in there?
down there.
Like we did last. Oh, damn it.
I'd say maybe do the corner. Let me move that board. Let me get that board out of the way. Let me just pick the whole thing.
You can hold it straight, I'll push.
Okay.
That's not right. It's on the wrong angle for me here.
I'm trying to kind of put it at an angle so we can squeeze it down through there.
Oh.
Whoop.
It's on something.
Okay, we're good.
This muffler's getting ready for this exhaust here.
Yeah, that shore
We do a little scrunching.
job under there is real good, but I can feel
All right,
this
hold on
little
one
fucking
second.
deck.
Down here. At least get the back. Of course, I need to get the front. So let me get under here for a second. All right. Come on down. All right, you got about 2 inches. Keep coming. Hold up right there. All right, I'm on one of them. How's that? Can you see the outside one?
Well,
Over by you?
The starter's like, oh, well, maybe. It's close.
Which way? Me push or pull?
You gotta come to the front, got right there, ho, right there.
Is it on?
No, right there, ho. Right there, it should
All
be
right.
on it.
All right, so now we need to go
Don't put your hand up.
a little
there.
more.
I'll slide a board down there and shove it over.
I'm on this one. Hold on. All right, so now we want to come down. We just got this one last one. We're close. We got to pick it back up again. Just a little bit.
Are you sure it's not on there?
Yeah, keep going. All right, stop right there. I
You
need
want
that.
this hammer?
Yeah, because I got to pull it.
Straight up on the
And-
deck right here.
And we are.
Hammer's behind you over here if you want
It's
to
right,
hammer.
it's right there on the deck.
We are sure that that front one's on over there, right?
It looks like it's in. It's hard to see. Looks
That's
like,
in. Yep, that's good. All right, so I just need to pry this a little bit.
You want a pry bar? There's a pry bar.
Go ahead
Yeah.
and drop it a little bit. Okay, hold on. All right, there we go. That's it. Nobody will ever see that.
Scar, they're character scars.
They are. I mean, every boat tells a little story, you know.
It's all about the story.
That's
there.
when it got its scars there putting the motor in.
Son of a bitch, every goddamn time, man.
Good. Go ahead and get it scarred up a couple more times for good measure.
I think I scarred it up that time. I did hit it though.
Castle Keep.
Okay, there they are in their little holes now. That was quite the ordeal, but they're actually in here. And now I can start coming back next time and working on hooking everything back up, all the electric and the fuel. I need to look inside the fuel tanks. There's still a lot to do, but getting those motors in here is a major thing. So I'm happy about that. Well, I wouldn't say it's all downhill from here, but it's certainly more downhill than it is uphill at this point. I feel pretty good about getting those motors in. That was a long time coming. So anyway, the next episodes will be, I'll be able to film more of them because they'll be smaller things, but we'll start talking about fuel systems and wiring and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully that'll be useful for somebody. And thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.